Installation of a Roxtec WGS ES with Roxtec C RO frame and CM modules. To install a Roxtec Waveguide Seal ES with Roxtec C RO frame and CM modules, you need the frame, the sleeve, the sealing modules and Roxtec Lubricant, as well as an Allen key and spanners. With a Roxtec WGS ES, you can seal openings for non-metallic fiber optic cables in shielded enclosures. Prepare the opening. Make or verify an aperture according to the drawing of the solution. Install the sleeve. Install either a bolted or a welded sleeve. For the bolted sleeve, the area corresponding to the conductive gasket shall be conductive. Insert the bolted sleeve into the aperture. The flat side of the nut shall face the structure. Thread on the nut. Tighten the nut. Prevent the sleeve from rotating by using a counterhold. For welded versions, insert the welded sleeve and make a gas-tight and watertight weld all around. Install the frame. Clean the sealing surface. Lubricate all sealing surfaces of the rubber parts with Roxtec Lubricant. Insert a frame half. The tabs of the sleeve will position the frame. Insert the corresponding frame half. Adapt the modules. Achieve a 0.1 to 1.0 mm gap between the two halves when held against the fiber optic cable. Adapt the modules by peeling off layers. The number of layers may not differ by more than one between the corresponding module halves. Lubricate all sealing surfaces on the modules. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the spare modules. Do not remove the core. Install the modules. Pull apart the brackets. Insert a module half. Insert a fiber optic cable. Cables shall go straight through the frame. Insert the corresponding module half. Fill up the rest of the transit. Tighten the seal, push the brackets towards the middle. Tighten the bolts crosswise in small steps to the specified torque. Protruding excess lubricant is a sign of good compression. Make a final check. Different approvals or certificates may include amendments or limitations related to the application. Always read the installation instructions supplied with the product. Disassembly and reinstallation. Untighten the bolts crosswise in small steps. Push brackets to the sides. Remove the modules needed. And continue the reinstallation.